The Warsaw Pact was created in response to the NATO and comprised of the Central and Eastern European countries under the leadership of the Soviet Union. Through this, the Soviet Union government could control the decisions of the communist faction. While the Soviet Union was motivated into making the pact to maintain peace throughout Europe, the Warsaw Pact transformed Europe into communist versus capitalist blocs. The fear of war increased during this time as the world had never been so completely divided under the leadership of two competing powers before. This caused tensions to heighten between the two superpowers. We have to consider seriously and analyze correctly the crimes of the Stalin era. Stalin acted by imposing his concepts and demanding absolute submission to his opinion. Whoever opposed this concept was doomed to removal from the leading collective and to subsequent moral and physical annihilation. Khrushchev's secret speech caused turmoil within communist countries due to the denouncing of Stalinist policies. In response, the public began doubting the communist movement, and the government of Eastern European countries drifted from Stalinist policies. During this time, war tensions between capitalists and communists declined, but the Soviet Union's power throughout the communist parties fell. Since the Soviets weren't gaining support, the capitalists weren't as concerned of an oncoming war. This event brought the world further from war. In 1960, an American U-2 plane was shot down as it was flying over Soviet territory. Relations between the two countries were wrecked and the Paris Summit Conference was aborted. The Soviets wanted to be the first to instigate war so they would be in power if war began. The public became aware that the possibility of a peaceful end to the rising tensions were now impossible. The Soviet Union's actions created fear in the government of both sides of another war. Tensions continued rising until the peak at the Cuban Missile Crisis of 1962. At this point, fear among the public increased dramatically as they realized that war was possible at any moment. The capitalist governments realized this was their chance to make the decision that would either end the communist rule or ruin the capitalists. This event forced the superpowers to reconsider the possibility of a nuclear war and decide to try to coexist peacefully.